You're out having a few drinks and get pulled over by police. If you refuse to take any field sobriety tests or breathalyzer test, or upon taking a breathalyzer, you are told you are above the legal limit and are arrested, you will be subject to a letter of reprimand from your immediate commander or higher, to include a general officer. Any of these commanders in your chain can file a letter of reprimand in your local personnel file. However, with a few exceptions, only a general officer in your chain of command or the general court-martial convening authority can direct its filing in your permanent file. The most common type of letter of reprimand that the U.S. Army Hawaii Legal Assistance Office sees are those for driving under the influence or refusing to submit to a breathalyzer or field sobriety test. So, this video will give you some background information of the letter of reprimand process, your rights, and what our attorneys and paralegals will need from you to help you craft a response. As always, this video is for information only and is not legal advice, nor does it create an attorney-client relationship. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for updates. In order for a letter of reprimand to be filed in your permanent personnel file, you must first be given notice of an intent to file the reprimand in your permanent file and have an opportunity to review any documentation that serves as the basis for filing. You will be given a reasonable amount of time to make a written statement to respond to the notification. The notification should indicate that this reprimand is being issued as an administrative action and not a punitive action such as an Article 15. If it is for an Article 15, then you will need to contact the Trial Defense Services for assistance. For active duty soldiers, you will have 7 calendar days to submit your rebuttal statement. Keep in mind that any statement you make can be used by the government in other proceedings. Because the turnaround time is so short, please do not wait until the day before your rebuttal is due to come to the Legal Assistance Office. You should contact our office with all of the documents you received from your commander the day you received it or the next business day. On that note, commanders, give your soldiers the opportunity to come to our office to schedule their appointment. If you can, please avoid notifying them at the end of the day on the last duty day of the week. Time is of the essence and every day counts. The Legal Assistance Office needs you to take a first shot at drafting a response to your letter of reprimand. At a minimum, your first draft to the Legal Assistance Office should contain the following information: a statement of events that led to the letter of reprimand, a brief statement of your military career, such as assignments, deployments, or awards that you are particularly proud of. If you have certificates of achievements or other documentary evidence, please provide a copy of those documents as well. A statement of remorse or apologies for your actions or an explanation with documentation, if possible, of the circumstances that refute or mitigate the reason for the reprimand. The attorney will help you evaluate and decide on a course of action here, and a plan of action to rebuild trust, educate others, and demonstrate resilience. Your statement should be kept brief, no more than 2 typed pages. An attorney will read through your statement and provide input on any edits or information that should be included. You may also want to gather statements of support from those who supervise you or who worked with you. Those statements should focus on your performance, character, and potential for continued service. As you can see, a lot will need to go into preparing, editing, and submitting your response to a letter of reprimand. That is why time is of the essence. If necessary, the Legal Assistance Office will attempt to request an extension from your unit to submit your rebuttal. However, there is no guarantee that an extension will be approved. The best course of action, however, is to not put yourself into such a position in the first place. Prevention is better than the problem. Have a plan and be safe. Please contact our office at 808-655-8607 if you've been notified of a letter of reprimand, and one of our attorneys will assist you. Mahalo.